open natin to. Going to open this one. I can feel the bubble wrap inside. The bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Very good. The bubble wrap. And let's pop some bubble wrap. The other way. Bubble wrap. Right, so this is the UGreen USB-C to 3.5 audio adapter, and it has this one. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, right, so let's open this one. From the bottom, like here, the scissors can split its pair, so I'm going to try it here. So it's type C. Boom. So I have this We Bear Bears earphones. Let's see if this will. Oh yeah, baby, it works guys, it works. All right. So if you have Android phones, you can try to use this from UGreen. And here's another, this one, this is also from UGreen, so also for type C. Let's check out this one, guys. So this one is more handy, guys. So it says cover here. Yeah, this is what you pay for. This thing here makes this expensive. So, and check out the YouTube and here. So it's plugged right there, that bottom. Yeah, it's a bottom, guys. It's at the bottom. So press this play button. Oh yeah, it's good. So if you need some type C adapter, guys, check out the UGreen. Alright, that would be all, guys.